In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the seamless process of restoring your WhatsApp data from Google Drive and transferring it to your new iPhone. Whether if you are switching devices or just want to keep your chats safe, the WhatsApp has got you covered. What's up guys, this is Mehran. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can restore your WhatsApp data from Google Drive and transfer it to any iPhone model. So for this process, I will definitely recommend the WhatsApp application, which is totally compatible with iOS 17 and iPhone 15, even with Android 14 version as well. You can transfer data from WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business and even WhatsApp GB with the help of WhatsApp application. You will be able to transfer every single byte, including photos, videos, GIF, text messages and audio messages, which I am going to show you in this video. And with the help of fastest speed and highest success rate transferring data between two devices, I will definitely recommend it to all of you. So first of all you need to download your desired version, which is available for Mac and Windows. Currently they are offering 30% discount, so make sure to avail this opportunity before it ends. Just make sure to use the link given in the description down below. So after downloading and installing the WhatsApp application into your desktop or Mac, this is a very friendly interface of WhatsApp application. The first option we have got is WhatsApp. If you want to make backup from simple WhatsApp, you would need to use the first option, which is WhatsApp normal. Inside we have three options. The first one should be used in that scenario if you want to make backup of your WhatsApp data on your computer just to make some space on your device. So you should use this feature, while later on when you want to restore it back to your iPhone or Android, then with the help of second option you will be able to do that. And the third option should be used if you have WhatsApp backup on your Google Drive on your Android and you want to transfer it to iPhone, which I'm going to use in this video. So you're gonna use this option. Same goes for the others. We have WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp GB. So let's just restore backup from Google Drive and transfer it to this iPhone model. Just tap on the restore option within WhatsApp application, select Google Drive as you prefer backup source. The WhatsApp application will securely connect to your Google Drive account to retrieve your WhatsApp Business backup, enter your Gmail account in which you have backup file. If you don't have a backup on your Google Drive, you can make that by going into the chats and make a backup file there inside your WhatsApp application. So enter the same Gmail account on the WhatsApp application which you have used for a backup file, and you will be required to verify your account after entering the passcode. Okay, so after verifying my account, I can see the backup file which I have just created on this Android device, as it's around 18 MB, which includes some videos, photos and audio messages. So select your backup file and click on download button. Now it will be downloaded to the computer. After that, I will transfer it to the iPhone. So once the download is done, now enter your WhatsApp number which you were using on the WhatsApp Business on this Android device. So just make sure the two-factor authentication should be off, otherwise this process may not work. You can disable that by the following steps which is showing on the screen. After typing your number, you will get verification code on your number. Type that and now connect your iPhone to the computer. Connect your iPhone to the desktop. After connecting your iPhone, you will be required to enter WhatsApp number which you were using on the WhatsApp Business on your Android side. After typing the number, you will get verification code again on your WhatsApp number. Just type that here and click on logged in. Select this file which you want to transfer. I will select all of them just to get the exact WhatsApp backup on this iPhone model, and after that click on continue button. Now this may take some time as it will depend on your data size, so please be patient. Okay, so that's it. The WhatsApp has completely transferred from Google Drive to this iPhone model. The iPhone just got restarted. So now let's check what we have got on the iOS sides. And congratulations, your WhatsApp data is now successfully restored from Google Drive and securely back up in your iPhone. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with the WhatsApp user-friendly interface and powerful features, as we have safely transferred WhatsApp from Android to iPhone with every single text messages, photos, Android messages and videos files which can be seen here. The WhatsApp isn't just about backup and restored, it's just a comprehensive solution for managing your WhatsApp data. Explore additional features like message organization, media management and more. Keep your WhatsApp experience smooth and worry-free with the WhatsApp application. The download link is available in the description. Also enjoy 30% discount on your purchase. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more useful videos. Let me know if you guys have got any questions regarding this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next one.